Hello, let me just quickly show you how you can easily detect possible attacks and possible hacks on your WordPress website. Now I'm in the control panel, as you can see, of one of my WordPress websites and using ShieldUp plugin. If you can see here, we pre-selected today so we can get the data for today who was accessing our website, and you can see that this particular IP was accessing our website 96 times, and out of that 92 was 404. And if we click this IP to get even more details on what's going on, and let me expand this, we can see that this particular IP was trying to guess a login or admin panel so they can then brute force it, and it was all done under the minute or so, and in 1 minute. That way they are trying to figure out what is your login, and then they will brute force it. And if we go back, you can see that similar IP was also accessing our website today, but in this one they were using some user agent, at least they are faking it. So if we click that and expand to get more data in this page, we can see that in this particular instant they were trying to find out if we have other, like install PHP scripts or whatever, so they can exploit this one as well. So this is how people are trying to attack your website. So what we can do now, we can just copy this IP and paste it into our firewall, and this IP will be blocked. So if you have proper tools, you can easily detect and spot right away that someone is trying to mess with your website and try to attack you, and you can then properly defend yourself. So I strongly suggest that you download ShieldUp. You can go to the shieldup.me and click download. We have free version and also pro version. I will show you right away the pro version. Pro version basically will have a little bit more management tools for IPs and ease of use. For example, if you want to block this IP, you can easily click block it and IP will be blocked. So this is it. If you like this video, subscribe for more, and see you. Thanks, bye.